So this is the driveway, concrete driveway, mailbox right there, Haynes Street. I don't know if you can see that. It's the corner of Haynes Street, and that's the neighbors across the street. Nice big yard. Looks like maybe you have to check. I think we're in Anderson County. Have to check and see what their ADU regulations are, but you could easily drop another unit over there, maybe two. You got a closed in chain link fence, little storage shed back there. You got power lines here from the pole above ground to the box. The owner thinks he's got squatters in here. Maybe they stopped paying rent. I'm not 100% sure. Got to figure that part out. Obviously, it needs some cleanup. Doesn't look like any of the trees are jeopardizing the house. But for some reason, the sheriffs are here. I don't think they're at this location. I think they're at the road. Maybe they're waiting for somebody to show up. I'm not sure. But it's at the corner of a busy intersection, so I don't know if you could go commercial, switch it over to commercial. But the roof looks pretty good, except for the spot where a tree fell on it right over there. That needs to be patched up probably better. We need to use the right shingles. Siding. Looks like the windows might be new. I'm not 100% sure. Concrete steps, concrete front porch. Used to be a handicap ramp here a long time ago, so you could turn it into a handicap. Let me think. So, utility easement on this side. That tree just needs cut down completely. I don't know which one of these trees. Probably this big one fell on the roof. So we'll walk around the back side of the property. Now nobody answered the door. It looks like they have a dog in the backyard. Done some damage to the back door. See the dog. The dog must be inside. They got a leash right there. They let it out. So the dog does play back here. Used to be a swing set. Little squirrel. Looks like there might be some new development over here. Oh, this is an RC track. That's pretty cool. People next door have a little RC.